In the ancient world, the Olympian deities ruled over the heavens, their influence extending far beyond Mount Olympus. Among these gods, Zeus, the mighty king, reigned supreme, along with his brothers Poseidon and Hades, and their siblings Athena, Apollo, Ares, Artemis, Demeter, Hera, and Hestia. But peace was not eternal. An ancient prophecy foretold a great conflict, a battle between the Olympians and the Titans, the primordial deities who were once the rulers of the universe. The Titans, led by their king, Kronos, sought to regain their lost power, setting the stage for a cataclysmic confrontation. The gods of Olympus, aware of the impending crisis, prepared for war. Zeus, the cunning strategist, forged an alliance with the mighty hero Briareos and the powerful giant Otos. He also crafted the invincible weapons, the Stormbow, the Trident, and the Aegis, a shield adorned with the head of Medusa. As the day of battle approached, the Titans, led by Kronos, marched towards Olympus. With the ground shaking beneath their feet, they scaled the sacred mountain, intent on overthrowing their divine offspring. The Olympians stood ready, their hearts pounding with anticipation and fear. The battle was fierce, a clash of titanic proportions. The gods and Titans fought with all their might, their weapons clashing in a cacophony of thunderous roars. Zeus unleashed bolts of lightning, scorching the battlefield, while Poseidon summoned violent waves from the sea to batter the Titans. Yet, the battle was not one-sided. Kronos, wielding the legendary scythe, struck fear into the hearts of the Olympians. Ares, the god of war, fought with blind fury, while Apollo and Athena displayed their cunning and strategy. In the heat of battle, Zeus, with the power of his divine weapons, struck Kronos with a mighty bolt of lightning, weakening him. Seizing the moment, Briareos and Otos, the allies of Olympus, overpowered Kronos, pinning him to the ground. With Kronos defeated, the Titans retreated, their resolve broken. The Olympians emerged victorious, their power secured. The battle of the gods had ended, and a new epoch in the history of the universe began. The aftermath of the battle left Mount Olympus in ruins, but the gods, victorious and battered, reveled in their triumph. They had faced the greatest threat to their power and emerged victorious. The Olympians would continue to rule, their legend growing with each passing day. This tale of the Battle of the Titans serves as a testament to the power of unity, strategy, and courage. The gods of Olympus, though immortal, faced a great crisis and emerged victorious, their legacy etched in the annals of history.